So, hello students, we are doing class 9 maths exercise 1.5. Chapter name is number system. In number system, for this exercise 1.5, we discuss about the operation on real numbers. And you know, real numbers means combination of rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. So especially in this exercise we study about that irrationals. So one example is here. Check whether 7 root 5, 7 by root 5, root 2 plus 21, pi minus 2 are irrational numbers or not. We should check they are irrational or not. So values of root 5 is calculated. This value already 2.236 and there is no ending here. Root 2 is equal to 1.4142. It is also we can calculate. Pi is known as 3.1415 and so many numbers. So see here, there is no ending here and not terminating, because non terminating and non repeating. No one is repeating 2, 3, 6 and so many numbers. Here 4, 1, 4, 2. Different numbers are coming. So these are non terminating, non repeating. So we solve this 7 root 5 is irrational or not. So 7 root 5 is equal to 7 into root 5 is already here. This after multiplying what we get? No ending here. If you multiply here 7 into 7 6 42, 4 7 3 21 4 25 2 7 into 14 plus 2 16 6 1 7 into 41 15 and 1 2 after point. How many decimals? 1 2 3 1 2 3. So not ending here. Next one is 7 by root 5. 7 by root 5 we will study next. If it is root in the denominator, we can multiply same number and divide by same number. So it becomes 7 root 5. Root 5 into 5 we can write 5. Next one, root 2. Root 2 plus 21. Root 2 is already written here 1.4142 plus 21. After adding what we get, 21 plus 1 22 plus 4142 and so on. Last point is pi minus 2. Pi minus 2. Pi also written here 3.1415. pi यदि लिखी रहेगा सब minus 2 घटाई देने पर सब तो 3 1 to 1.1415. It is, there is no ending here. Minus it was 2 like that. So what we see, k here also okay that what we get here, there is no ending here. Here also root 5 is coming. Root 5 is not terminating and non repeating. This also non terminating, non repeating. This also non repeating and non terminating. So this type of numbers are known as, this type of, these all numbers are irrationals. Then what is the conclusion for this irrational? If there is no any number is irrational, that will be rational. Rational means they can be written in the form of p by q. They are rationals. If not written in the form of p by q, we can say these are irrationals. So it is the example and we will solve some questions from this exercise. So students, let's see question number 1. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Classify the following numbers as rational. This type 5 questions here. Classify one you kyo छुट्याउनु. छुट्याउनु के छुट्याउनु पर्ने, कुन रेशनल हो कुन इरेशनल हो, and without solving directly you cannot say that which one is rational or irrational. पहिले सल्भ गर्नुपर्छ, त्यहाँदेखि हेर्नु पर्यो यो के हो. द्याट मिन्स like this. Number 1, 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. No need to find the value of 5 because square root of 4 is 2, 9 is 3, and 16 is 4. You can check there. Root 5. Root 5 we cannot find the root of 5 exactly. So it is irrational. This number is irrational. If it is irrational, so any number is adding or subtracting this number, this also irrational. जहाँ एउटा रूट जसको रूट निकाल्नु सक्दैन त्यो इरेशनल भन्नु पर्यो. सो इट इज इरेशनल. यो क्याल्कुलेट गर्नु पर्दैन, डाइरेक्ट लेख्न सक्छ इरेशनल. के रूट 5 इरेशनल हो, त रूट 5 में जे पनि जोड्दा यो रेशनल हो, यो रेशनल हो. बट ड्यू टु दिस इरेशनल होल थिंग्स इरेशनल. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2. नंबर 2 में के छ, यो सल्भ गर्नु पर्यो. फर्स्ट वी ब्रेक द ब्रैकेट. 3 प्लस रूट 23 यो माइनस रूट 23 आयो. यो सल्भ गर्दाखेरि रूट 23 प्लस हो, यो माइनस हो. इट विल क्यान्सल आउट. यो हेर्दाखेरि त 23 को रूट निस्किँदैन. एक्चुअली हेर्दा इरेशनल हो, इट इज इरेशनल. बट आफ्टर सल्भिङ दिस going to be cancelled. We are getting 3. 3 means 3 by 1. So it is form of P by Q. That means what is this? Rational. It is rational. Very easy. Now number 3. Number 3 is, now check number 3. Number 3 is also root 7 irrational. This irrational, but cancel up down. So getting 2 by 7. It is also in the form of P by Q. So we can say it is rational. Now next, number 4. Number 4, 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 1.414. But no need to find the value. Root 2 को value निकाल्नु पर्दैन. यो already irrational छ. त्यसलाई गर्दा टोटल हामी के लेख्नु पर्छ? irrational. जसको रूट निकाल्नु सक्दैन. रूट निकाल्दाखेरि नन टर्मिनेटिङ नन रिपिटिङ पाउँछ. रूट ननिस्किने खालको इरेशनल बनिनु पर्यो. 2 pi 2 into pi is 3.14. But actually directly we can put here irrational because pi is always irrational. This pi is always irrational. It is proof thing. You prove भएको छ यो. That means 2 pi is 2 pi 3 pi. Any number multiplying, adding, subtracting with pi, it is irrational. Okay, irrational. So it was question number 1. I think clearly you understand.